Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Team Official channel. Today I am Mr. CHHUOY again, and I will teach you how to make progressing by just going around the square video. As you can see inside my video is like this. So to do that, first you need to import your video that you really want to do, and make sure that you choose the size. If it is in portrait size, so you can choose it is a portrait size like this to make it something like a fit. And this time we're gonna use only 3 seconds. So now I'm gonna remove it or cut some part out from the video to keep it only 3 seconds of the video here. And now we gonna remove some music that is appearing inside the background. And the next is go to simple color and select one of your favorite colors and then drag it like this. And now make something that is completely fit to the screen. And now click on that and grab here and drag it to smaller enough to be put it on the part of the below videos here. And this time we're gonna double click on the second frames and then go to animation and select on slide to right here. And now you can see everything is already have a frame after we have been select the animation. So now let's get play. It looks like everything is going too fast, right? So you need to move it more little bit down because it has some spacing outside the screen here. And this time we go to this place and go to display and increase some size of the part here. It looks like everything is appearing inside the place like this. And you should be lock the window to prevent something that is wrong click from crawling out. Okay, now let's get started to play again. Now everything is look like there's all here, and we're gonna remove it more down. Okay, by using an arrow key. Okay, it should be look like this. Now everything is look like this, and this place again. Okay, Control C to remove it. And go to home again, and now everything is look like it is appearing like that. And the next is we're gonna go to the first the second layer and then copy that and then go to the ending part of the frame here. So this will be starting from this place at the ending of the frame moving. And then go to select this one and add a video here, and then make sure that you have put the this bar just in the place that you really want to pass that. And Control Z if you have something wrong, so select the track that you really want to pass that. And this time we go to the image and go to transform, and this time we're gonna rotate it to 80% or 90%, and then click enter. And here we have already this mark here, so you need to move it up like this. And if you see something that is completely okay, and then now we're gonna see it is move away because it used the same style of this one. So thing that we're gonna do next is right click on that and then click on delete field effect here, and this time we go to make it smaller like this, and double click on that and go to the rotation and set it to 90, and everything is gonna be smaller, like this. And this time we're gonna add also a keyframe to that video, so you need to click on that and select an effect. Sorry, double click on that. This time go to animation, and we're gonna find something that fall up or slide up like this. So should be now going to be a slide up like this. Okay, and this time we go to don't need to do once more time, and this time we're gonna do the same by doing the multiple times. So you need to grab it like this and drag it to be smaller enough, and everything should be locked to avoid something that is wrong click on this. So we're gonna move it like this to be outside the screen, and then double click on that and go to add here, and we should to be increasing some size like this, and then this time we're gonna drag it and using a row key to do this also. Okay, and now let's get play this part. So what is happening? Okay, now we have one more step, is to scroll down one more down just inside it. So you don't need to care about the length of this side, because you will be trimming it after we have already done with that. So this time I'm gonna click OK, and we're gonna choose one more that look like it is fit to the screen like this, and we're gonna start it from this place, and this time we're gonna move it up like this to be smaller enough, and then double click on that, go to image, and this time we're gonna set it, go to 90 to make it is portrait, and now we're gonna place it to be place that we really want. So okay, it should be here, and then click OK, and now we're gonna add some keyframe to be scrolling down. Before we can add keyframe, you need to find the slide animation first. If you cannot find that, you need to add keyframe by your own self. So now the first thing that we're gonna start is we're gonna move it out from the screen like this by pressing moving up like this. Okay, it should be this place, and now we're gonna double click on that and go to image, and then uncheck this drop down, go to animation, go to customize, and then select on add here, and this time we're gonna move it up to be from about this place, and then click on add again and click on this one, and then move it down. Okay, it is enough for this, and now click on OK, and now let's check it out. What is it is running like this? It disappearing because the part of the below is have been removed. So you need to be drag it to be fit from each other. For example, now I'm gonna use some place here to make it is fit for all, and unlock this one first and make it more fit. Okay, and now unlock this one also, and then drag it to be on this place. And now everything is inside the circle now. So let's get started to play at the first time of the video. Okay, now you can see it. It is running like the same, and everything is look very fine to do. And after that, it is all for the video. Thank you for watching.